Looking to set up a drawing template. This involves going into our paper space, not our model space. Model space for our model, paper space for our paper. Here is our viewport, which is our portal into our model space. We double click inside, model, outside, paper. Okay. What we're looking to do is, first of all, we want to check that our page setup is correct. So if we modify this, just to make sure, I'm going to set it to PDF. I'm just going to check, it's A4 size, we're plotting the layout, it's scale 1:1, we're landscape. Okay, and here it tells you our plot size, 210 by 297 landscape. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. So now I want to do a border. First of all, we want to set up some layers. Now, there's only one layer set at the minute. If I right click in here, so I type layer and enter to get into your layer property managers. Right click and you've got a new layer. So I'm going to do a text layer maybe. I'm going to do it a slightly off white. I'm going to do it like a grey, I think. That would be quite interesting. I'm going to set up a new layer called border, because that's what my border is going to be. And I'll keep it as white. So we call it white, but it comes out black on the paper space, okay? Anything else I can think of? I'll do, that's fine. No, I'll leave it for now. That's fine. So we're just doing a border, okay? Exit out there, that's fine. So now my border, if I click up here, layers, make sure border is on, okay? This is the layer that I'm going to use right now. And I'm going to create a border. So I'm going to draw a line, rectangle will do. Rectangle, and I'll start it at 0, 0, okay, and I'm going to make it 270 by 190, okay. As you see, this does not center in the space because I've done it from the bottom left corner, 0, 0, so I can actually move this, M-O-V-E, enter, sorry, escape out, move, enter, select object. This is my object, my border, enter. Base point is 0, 0, because that's where I want to move it from there, and I move it across by 13.5 and 10, because I've worked out previously how to centre this, given that my A4 is 297 and 210, and my border is 270 and 190. So and then I can move this as well. You can move it, you can do whatever you want to move it. Base point is where you're moving it from, and then move it to there, that's fine. Now I'm going to draw a series of rectangles, and my first base point is actually going to be the corner of here. I need to make sure I've put my snap on. F3 sets it on and off for you, or you can check down here, status bar, I've got it on, and if I click the little arrow, I just check them all at the minute. We're doing a relatively simple drawing, so I'll just have them all checked, and then it means it'll snap everywhere, the center, the edge, everything. So I'm going to start here in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to make it at, because it's going from there, it's relative from that point and going 70 across, so I'll put at 70 comma, and then I'm going to do 14 up, enter, and there you go, there's my box. All right, and then I can just keep going. Up top left there's rectangle as well. I can click on there, and then I can start putting my coordinates in at, and I want it to be 50, 14. Okay, and again, just to repeat, you can right click and repeat rectangle. Okay, click there, and then I want it at 80 this time, and 14 across. And then let's repeat again, or you can press enter, click on there, and I want it at 50, 14. Okay, and if I press enter again, it does it again for me because that was the last one I did. And this one's going to be 20 across, so at 20, 14, and that's done it for me there. Okay, there is your border setup. Let me just think. Line weight, I just want to check the layers again. Oop, not layers, I want to put layer. Right, check me, it's a default line weight, but if you want to make sure you've got the correct line weight and you want it to be 0.5, you can set it. Okay, 0.5. Okay, and again 0.5, just make sure it's really visible. Okay, there we go. So I've set two colours, I've set line weights. Line types don't need to worry about right now, that's fine. So that's layers done, and you've got some borders there. So what we're going to do now is we will insert the logo, I think. Let's see.